So bye part 2. It's a very sad day. Be quick. So everything is beautiful. The Garden of Eden, so beautiful, and even Adam and Eve were enjoying it. And God said they could eat anything juicy, but not the special fruit. Wait, I gotta turn on the light. Okay, guys. So one sunny day, a snake approached to Eve's ear and whispers, "Take no notice of what God says. The fruit of the tree is good to eat," the snake said. "It will make you as clever as God." That's actually the snake said. And Eve ate the special fruit. I don't know if it's an apple, but she also gave Adam the fruit. Okay. And that very evening, when God came to talk to them, he said, "Why are you hiding? Why are you hiding?" So guys, I'm actually Filipino, that's why it's so hard to English. "I told you not to touch." So Adam said, "Don't blame me. A shame, it's all Eve's fault." Eve said, "Don't blame me. Making excuses too. That's all the snake's fault." So they got punished, and God made them live for life. They cannot go back to the Garden of Eden. And also, he also punished the snake, and also Adam and Eve. He wanted to live with him, but because of their sins, they got banned from the Garden of Eden. That's the story of Adam and Eve. A very sad day. So, like for part 3, like the rain lake. What is this? Noah's Ark, if you want. So bye bye guys. See you in the next video. And subscribe if you want more Bible stories. And see you all later. Peace.